TikTok Lite points not working. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be discussing about TikTok Lite points not working. So there are two reasons why your TikTok Lite points is not working, and we're gonna get right into it. So the first one is when you think about TikTok coins right here and you say, why am I not earning? Right here when I'm scrolling, like I'm scrolled all day, why am I not earning? So when you go to rewards right here and then see, why I'm not earning anything? I was scrolling whole day and it's still zero. So the problem is, it's not because you scroll all day, it's because you haven't clicked on the start. So what happens is TikTok itself makes you watch TikTok Lite will choose the videos that you'll be watching. So all you need to do is just click on start right there. There you go. As you can see, now you will earn while you watch. Second thing, you've already reached the daily limit. So as you can see right there, watch ads daily, and here is the limit for each day. 8,330 on 0/30. There you go. Those are the only two reasons why you're not working. If it still not works, or if you have any different experience or reasons, you can just type it down function below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible of your concern here on TikTok Lite. But yeah, anyways guys, there you go. Hope you guys do enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, type it down question below, guys. Type it down as soon as possible, and thank you guys.